Stop scrolling. If you're looking for the best stocks to buy in 2025, you can't afford to miss this. The stock market is shifting fast, and the right picks could skyrocket your portfolio this year. In this video, I'll break down 3 powerful stocks that top investors are betting on, backed by real data, future trends, and growth potential. And trust me, the last stock on this list might just surprise you. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which stocks could help you build wealth in 2025. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive right into our first stock pick. A company that's been making waves in the tech industry for years now. NVIDIA. You know, when I first started investing, NVIDIA was this company known mostly for graphics cards, right? They were the go-to for gamers who wanted the best performance. NVIDIA was synonymous with high-quality gaming experiences. Gamers loved them for their cutting-edge technology and the seamless experience their GPUs provided. Gamers loved them. But over the past few years, NVIDIA has evolved far beyond just gaming. They've completely transformed themselves. They've become the backbone of one of the biggest technological revolutions we've seen in decades, artificial intelligence. And let me tell you, this AI boom is just getting started. The potential here is enormous, artificial intelligence. And let me tell you, this AI boom is just getting started. We're only scratching the surface of what AI can do, and NVIDIA is right at the heart of it. We're talking self-driving cars, advanced robotics, even personalized medicine, all powered by AI, and all needing NVIDIA's chips. The applications are endless, and the demand for their technology is only going to grow. Now you might be thinking, isn't NVIDIA's stock already expensive? It's a valid concern, especially given its recent performance. And yeah, it's had an incredible run, up over 500% in the past 5 years alone. That's a staggering increase, and it might make some investors hesitant. But here's the thing, the growth story isn't over yet. In fact, I think it's just getting started. The potential for further growth is immense, especially as AI continues to expand. Let's look at the numbers. Last year, NVIDIA's data center revenue, which is driven by AI, exploded by 125%. That's a phenomenal growth rate, and it shows no signs of slowing down. That's insane growth. And analysts are predicting this trend to continue as more and more industries adopt AI solutions. The integration of AI into various sectors is accelerating, and NVIDIA is poised to benefit. Think about it. Every industry, from healthcare to finance to manufacturing, is looking for ways to incorporate AI into their operations. The need for powerful computing solutions is universal. They need the computing power, and NVIDIA is perfectly positioned to provide it. Their technology is essential for the AI revolution, and their market position is strong. That's why I believe NVIDIA is a strong buy for 2025 and beyond. The future looks bright for this company, and the potential for returns is significant. This is a company at the forefront of a technological revolution, and investing in NVIDIA is like investing in the future of AI itself. Their innovations are driving the industry forward. But hey, I know what you're thinking, putting all your eggs in one basket can be risky, right? Diversification is key to a balanced portfolio. That's why I've got 2 more incredible stock picks for you. These companies are also making significant strides in their respective fields. And trust me, the next one is a company that's no stranger to innovation and disruption. They're changing the game in their industry. Let's move on to stock number 2. This next pick is another powerhouse in the tech world, and I can't wait to share it with you. Alright, let's talk Tesla. Now, I know what you're thinking, Tesla, isn't that the electric car company? And yeah, they make some pretty awesome EVs. But here's the thing, Tesla is so much more than just an electric vehicle manufacturer. They're a tech company, an energy company, and a robotics company all rolled into one. And that's what makes them so exciting. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Tesla's stock can be volatile. It's had its ups and downs, that's for sure. But remember, we're long-term investors here. We're not looking for quick flips. We're looking for companies with massive growth potential, and Tesla definitely fits the bill. Despite increasing competition in the EV market, Tesla still holds the crown. They're leading the charge in electric vehicle adoption, and their production numbers are only going up. But here's where it gets really interesting. Tesla's energy business. They're not just building cars, they're building the infrastructure to power those cars and our homes. Their solar panels and energy storage solutions are gaining traction, and this segment is projected to generate billions in revenue in the coming years. And then there's the wild card Tesla's self-driving technology and AI ambitions. They're pouring resources into developing fully autonomous vehicles, and their progress is undeniable. Imagine a future where robotaxis are commonplace, ferrying people around without the need for human drivers. That's the future Tesla is building, and it's a future with massive potential upside for investors. Look, I get it. Tesla might seem like a risky bet to some, but remember, every great investment was once considered a risk. And with their relentless innovation, their expansion into multiple high-growth sectors, and their visionary leader, I believe Tesla remains a stock with incredible potential for 2025 and beyond. But hold on, we're not done yet. I've saved the best for last. Our final stock pick is a company that's practically become a household name. Let's talk about Amazon. Tesla's gigafactories are not just about producing cars. These massive facilities are also focused on producing batteries and energy storage solutions at scale. This is crucial for the future of renewable energy. Imagine a world where every home is powered by solar energy stored in Tesla batteries. This isn't just a dream, it's a vision that Tesla is actively working towards. And let's not forget about Tesla's advancements in AI and autonomous driving. Their self-driving technology is not just about convenience, it's about safety and efficiency on the roads. The concept of robotaxis could revolutionize urban transportation, reducing traffic congestion and lowering emissions. It's a game changer for cities around the world. With a diverse range of products and a relentless drive for innovation, Tesla is not just a car company. It's a tech powerhouse that's shaping the future of multiple industries. So while Tesla's stock might be volatile, the company's long-term vision and potential for growth make it a compelling investment for those willing to take the ride. In conclusion, Tesla is more than just an electric vehicle manufacturer. It's a tech company, an energy company, and a robotics company all rolled into one. And that's what makes it so exciting for investors. So if you're looking for a company with massive growth potential and a vision for the future, Tesla is definitely one to watch. And with that, let's move on to our final stock pick, a company that's practically become a household name. Let's talk about Amazon. Alright, let's talk about a company that needs no introduction, Amazon. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, Amazon has grown from a humble online bookstore to a global powerhouse in multiple industries. Now, you might think of Amazon as that online store where you buy everything from books to blenders. And yes, their e-commerce platform is a massive part of their business, offering millions of products to consumers worldwide. And yeah, their e-commerce dominance is undeniable. With a vast network of warehouses and a sophisticated logistics system, Amazon ensures that products reach customers quickly and efficiently. But what many people don't realize is that Amazon's real moneymaker isn't selling you physical products. It's something much bigger, Amazon Web Services, or AWS. AWS is the undisputed king of cloud computing. Launched in 2006, AWS has revolutionized the way businesses operate by providing scalable and cost-effective cloud solutions. AWS is the backbone of countless websites, apps, and online services you use every single day. From streaming services to social media platforms, many of the digital experiences we enjoy are powered by AWS. It's the backbone of countless websites, apps, and online services you use every single day. Developers and businesses rely on AWS for its reliability, security, and vast array of services. And here's the kicker: AWS controls over 32% of the global cloud market share. This dominance is a testament to the quality and innovation that AWS brings to the table. That's more than double its nearest competitor. Companies like Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud are constantly trying to catch up, but AWS remains the leader. This dominance translates into massive profits for Amazon, contributing significantly to the company's bottom line. In fact, AWS is often the most profitable segment of Amazon's business, and it's only going to grow as more businesses transition to the cloud. The shift to digital transformation is accelerating, and AWS is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. But Amazon isn't resting on its laurels. They're constantly innovating and expanding into new areas, particularly in AI and automation. Their commitment to research and development is unparalleled. They're constantly innovating and expanding into new areas, particularly in AI and automation. From machine learning algorithms to advanced robotics, Amazon is at the forefront of technological advancements. They're investing billions in AI-powered logistics, robotics for their warehouses, and even cloud-based AI services for businesses. These investments are designed to improve efficiency and reduce costs, and even cloud-based AI services for businesses. AWS offers a range of AI and machine learning services that help businesses innovate and stay competitive in their respective industries. This focus on cutting-edge technology ensures that Amazon stays ahead of the curve and continues to dominate the market. Their ability to anticipate and adapt to technological trends is a key factor in their success. And continues to dominate the market. Amazon's strategic vision and execution have made it a market leader, and they show no signs of slowing down. And let's not forget about their core e-commerce business. Amazon Prime, with its fast shipping and exclusive content, has created a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. As the global e-commerce market continues to expand, Amazon is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growth. Their international presence and localized strategies allow them to tap into emerging markets. Amazon is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growth. They've built an incredibly efficient and scalable infrastructure that allows them to deliver products faster and cheaper than almost anyone else. They've built an incredibly efficient and scalable infrastructure that allows them to deliver products faster and cheaper than almost anyone else. Their logistics network is a marvel of modern engineering. That allows them to deliver products faster and cheaper than almost anyone else. Innovations like delivery drones and automated warehouses are just a glimpse of what's to come. Look, Amazon might seem like an obvious choice. It's a massive company with a proven track record, but sometimes the best investments are the ones that seem the most obvious. It's a massive company with a proven track record. Over the years, Amazon has consistently delivered value to its shareholders, and its stock performance reflects that. But sometimes, the best investments are the ones that seem the most obvious. With its dominant position in cloud computing, its relentless focus on AI and automation, and its continued expansion in e-commerce, Amazon is a stock that should be on every investor's radar in 2025 and beyond. With its dominant position in cloud computing, AWS continues to set the standard for the industry, offering innovative solutions that drive business growth. Its relentless focus on AI and automation, Amazon's investments in these areas are not just about staying competitive, they're about shaping the future of technology. And its continued expansion in e-commerce, Amazon's ability to adapt and grow in the ever-changing retail landscape is unmatched. Amazon is a stock that should be on every investor's radar in 2025 and beyond. The company's strategic initiatives and market leadership make it a compelling investment opportunity. So there you have it, my top 3 stock picks for 2025. These are companies that I believe have the potential to deliver incredible returns for investors who are patient and believe in their long-term growth stories. These are companies that I believe have the potential to deliver incredible returns for investors who are patient and believe in their long-term growth stories. Investing in companies like Amazon can be a game changer for your portfolio. So there you have it, the 3 best stocks to buy in 2025. 1. NVIDIA, leading the AI and semiconductor revolution. 2. Tesla, innovating in EVs, AI and energy storage. 3. Amazon, a powerhouse in cloud computing and automation. Which of these stocks do you think has the biggest upside? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips and stock market insights. See you in the next video.